Good evening. Tonight we're going to show you how to order pizza in Crete and compare that pizza to what it looks like in the States and see if our palates are different here. And normally we'll go somewhere like McDonald's and try some of their different foods they have that are a little different that we don't have in the United States. But tonight I think we're going to just try to order some Domino's pizza. It's the only pizza in our area that is also in the United States. Pizza. Okay. I'm sorry. Some Domino's. And I think we might go with this one right here. It's 2 beers and a cheddar melt, whatever that is.
Never had the cheddar melt.
I don't know. Maybe it's just a cheap pizza.
Yep, sounds good.
And here's some type of dough. Megalo. No idea what that is.
French fry.
And then we will.
Heineken beer too.
And 200 beers. Apparently there's a game night deal going on tonight. And I've already entered in my address. In €13.50 for a pizza. I'm not sure what a Daisy pizza is. The cheesy bread looks a little different. Instead of squares, it's round. And some chocolate brownies. Think we're good? Saved 34 cents on this euro. Actually, I'm not. 12. Oh, I get an applied offer. $4 the first order. Wow, okay. Well, I'm saving a lot of money here.
Okay.
Pretty neat. They got a little countdown timer and everything. And now it's time for the big reveal. The instructions said the back courtyard, and I just happened to go out front of the building, and they were out there in front of the building, so must not have got the message that the courtyard was in the back. But regardless, ended up getting my Domino's large pizza and 2 330 milliliter cans of Heineken. And let's see what it looks like. I have to say, that looks pretty doggone good.
Not bad at all. And what kind of topping did you get? The melty cheese or something?
Mega cheese or something like that's called. I don't know, but that's what it is. That looks like a meat lover supreme, if you ask me. There's a lot of meat on there. You want to go and give it a try?
And it's still hot. Some of my toppings. It is hot. Kind of tastes like it has a barbecue sauce or something on it, but
They did say something about big barbecue, so.
Oh, did it? Okay.
And as you can see, we have taken one of our viewers' advice and have a microphone, and we're using it tonight for the first time, and that's why you'll probably hear some crinkling noises in the background on the earlier part of the video, as we're trying to figure out how to use it. So I think we got that. But overall, it looks like a great pizza.
And what's the price on it?
It was like, I think it was like $8 and some. So
okay. Not bad.
And then the tipping was very minimal. They like 75 cents. So I gave the guy $3.
Oh wow. Okay.
I gave him $1 on the website, and then I gave him another €2 when he showed up. Because €3 to drive a bike over to drop it off. I mean, it's a pretty big ass for $3. So overall, I would have to give it a thumbs up.
Yep.
I was skeptical at first, but
never used Whoop before, but
yeah, way cheaper than the Uber apps that we've used. I mean, I've ordered a pizza at a bar before for a large pizza, one pizza, and it was like $45. So and it took forever to get to us. But yeah, great experience.